All righty, let's get right into it and show you what's happening here around central Indiana. We do have a potential for some thunderstorms here across the state here, and that's going to be late arriving as we go into the metro area. The storms are going to be a little quicker on the western side of the state. Otherwise, it's just kind of hazy and humid. But to start a little bit more of an active pattern here the next couple of days. Let's show you the map and show you where the storms are and where they'll eventually be heading here in the next 12 hours. So this not a solid line of storms right now. It is starting to take shape over near St. Louis. And then what you see over the northwestern part of the state is actually weakening. We've had a good deal of cloud cover there. So the atmosphere right now is a little more stable. And you can see it was pretty impressive near the Illinois line, and it has weakened a good deal. So if you have evening plans that's basically east of this line, for the next couple of hours, you're going to be in good shape. Now, it's a different story there. Covington, Lafayette, Delphi, Monticello, this will eventually sneak into Kokomo. You will start to get some of this residual rain fall there. Temperatures at this hour range from 86 in Shelbyville, almost 90 in Terre Haute. And then you can see where it's been raining there in Rensselaer at 63 degrees. So not really concerned about severe weather up here. What we will wait and watch, see what happens, that line of storms near St. Louis, what kind of shape it will be when it gets in here. And again, that is going to be much later this evening. There is the potential. The cloud bases are low. There's just enough rotation around a front that's stalled out over us here that keeps in the potential for a funnel cloud or a rotating thunderstorm. It's a low chance, but something that we'll monitor as we go through the evening here. But a lot of your outdoor plans here, can't stress it enough, for a lot of folks are going to be in pretty good shape. Our sunset this evening, by the way, is a little after 9 o'clock. And keep an eye on the clock here. Future Track 13 will start right now. It's doing a pretty good job on the placement of the rain and rumbles of thunder. So as we get into the 9 o'clock hour, the focus still remains far western and northwestern Indiana, a little closer to midnight. And there you go. We start to see a little more of an increase here in the central sections of the state. So this may be a situation where overnight and before you probably want to get up tomorrow morning, the sound of rain pounding your roof and rumbles of thunder may wake you up. As we go into Thursday, it will be unsettled. Rain and storms will be likely, and some of that is going to be heavy at times. And we may, in terms of the coverage area, it will range from scattered to at times numerous. And because there's going to be a little more heat over the southern part of the state on Thursday, that's where the severe storms will be a little more likely. As we go into Friday, dry start, a wet and stormy finish. And for now, we call for mostly dry conditions this weekend. It may be a humid weekend, but our best rain storm chances happen tonight, Thursday, and Friday evening.